Hiya, cool cat. Today, let's learn how to play I Believe I Could Fly by ear. Learning how to play a song by ear means that you're either listening to the song being played by someone else or you're singing the song yourself and then figuring out how to play that on the piano. Today, we're just going to learn how to do I believe I could fly, I believe I can touch the sky, just that. I always tell my students, break it down, even to just small, tiny little nuggets. So I like to sing the song and then keep shrinking it down like this. I believe I could fly, stop. I believe, stop. I believe stop. That's one note, and we're gonna start right there. The next step is confidence, because I want you to sing I and hold it out and keep that note the same. Even if you play a note on the piano, I, and it's not the same note, I want you to still sustain the same note in your head coming out your mouth. Now we're going to play notes on the piano while we sustain I, so we can figure out where that note is on the piano. It's a little experiment. That doesn't sound the same. That sounds harmonious. It sounds nice, but it doesn't sound like the same exact note. There it is. Now we can simply repeat the process for each individual note. And now I'll show you what the whole little section sounds together. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Learning how to play songs by ear helps us have a deeper connection with other artists and other musicians who are writing the songs from their heart. It's connecting us with them, and this is the big mental health benefit of learning how to do this. Okay, cool cat, that's everything for today. I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. Bye.